Welcome back viewers. Today we will start installation of Windows XP inside the Windows 7. We have to required few softwares just like VM VirtualBox or VMware like this. Another thing we required is a CD or DVD of Windows XP. If you are not having this, you have to require an ISO image of Windows XP. Let's start installation of Windows XP inside Windows 7. First of all, you have to start the VirtualBox manager. We have to create a new image named Windows XP. From this wizard, you have to type the name of virtual machine. Next, copy. Okay. Oh, sorry, this is already created. First of all, we want to delete this. Delete all files. Creating a new. Name it Windows XP. Next, the required memory size of RAM, you are allowed to increase this not lesser than not biggest than your memory size of your RAM, so you can slide this to the size of your physical memory, your RAM memory. We have to declare the memory size of 1024 MB RAM, and my system has 4 GB about RAM, so you have to press the next button. There are 3 optional buttons are listed here. You are selecting second type of create a virtual hard drive now. Create. There are 6 options are listed here. You have to select any one from this. Next, next, or next. This is the basic interface you are seeing here. The description about this description of virtual machine, the name of operating system, base memory, bootloader, acceleration, video memory, remote desktop server, it is enabled or disabled, which type of your IDE controller, primary, secondary, audio driver or ICH AC97. First of all, you have to add a CD-ROM in your disk driver, or you must have to download an ISO image from the internet or some other resources. Then please go into the setting of your Windows XP. Please select the option of storage size. This is the IDE controller. One is XP VDI and another is empty. So we have to choose your XP Professional ISO image from here. We are selecting already. This is selected. Please make sure the name of your ISO image is listed here. If you are successfully selected your image or an ISO or an NRG file, next you have to restart this image. The virtual box loader is shown in front of you. This is the basic setup. you can maximize your view. Switch to full screen, switch, or switch to scale mode, switch, press enter to continue. There are three options are listed in front of you. To set up Windows XP, press enter. To repair a Windows XP using recovery console, press R. Then you have to press enter. If you are agreeing this license agreement, press F8. If you are agreeing, you can install this Windows XP inside your Windows 7 operating system. There are unpartitioned space, and you have to create a partition for Windows XP. Then press enter. There are 4 options in front of you. Format the file system using the NTFS file system, quick. Format the file system using FAT partition, it is quick. Format the partition using NTFS file system, not quick, it is also not quick. So we have to select the partition NTFS file system using quick option. This is the formatting. It takes approximately 1 minute only. The installation of Windows XP is beginning. You can see the installation of Windows XP is running in front of you. The Windows XP is running inside the Windows 7 operating system. We can minimize this and also minimize this. This is installed. This is the option that you can install any type of OS inside your Windows 7 operating system. Okay. This is installing. It takes approximately 30 to 80 minutes. So the video is very larger. We can pause our video. But we are not pausing. This will restarting, you're rebooting your system. The Windows XP is installing, and the bootloader is also starting. This will take 39 minutes approximately, so we have to pause the video. The language option will be shown on front of you. Please select next. The name of your company and organization, name of your full name, your full name here, and your company name. Press next. Please enter the product key if you are having the product key. You select from this is the product key. Enter product key inside this. If you are watching this, please enter one by one. G Q Q B P V Q X Q J K C F B T 788 B B M C 9 H W. Press next. This is taken. Press next. Select your calendar time and time zone. The time zone is Chennai, Kolkata, Mumbai and New Delhi, GMT 5:30 plus 5:30. Next. Close this window. Sometimes after some time you can see again a new window is opening here. Choose whether to use typical or custom setting. Use only typical setting. Next. This will take approximately 27 minutes, so we can pause the video again. Welcome back. Setup will completed in approximately 3 minutes. This will now saving your settings. Removing any temporary files used in installing this Windows XP. Now it is restarting. Booting up. You can see the display setting. To improve the appearance of visual elements, Windows will automatically adjust your screen resolution. Okay. This will take a resolution of your computer itself. Now a tutorial of Windows XP is displayed in front of you. Next, select option this. Next, checking your internet connection. If internet connection is available, yes, this computer will automatically throw the local area network or a home network. Use next. Are you all ready to register the online with Microsoft? Yes. Enter the username. first name, last name, address, it is optional, city, state, IN, zip code, India, email address is optional, select next. This will take some times because all the information is collected from here and sent to the Microsoft site for registering the Windows. You can skip this step if you are not registering, then you can skip. Internet connection is not proper at this time, so it is taking long time, so neither it is skipped and neither it is backed from this screen. After completing this step, we are starting our image window XP. From here, this will automatically restart and you will get the welcome sound. You can check all the programs that is pre-installed in Windows XP. If you are seeing that the resolution is too low, you can change the resolution from its properties, settings. The screen resolution is 800 into 600. You can change its resolution by applying your desired resolution, selecting yes, and the view of this window is biggest as you can select. This is working just like a system that you will installed on your computer. You can see this. If we are we want to shut down our system, then press this button and select shutdown. So you can see if any operating system that you can test on our PC. You just select a CD or disk image or an NRG or ISO file, and by selecting this ISO file you can run inside the VMware and VirtualBox software. So guys, um, how much you like this video, please share, comment and subscribe our channel. uh, okay, thank you for watching my video.